Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever wondered why your screen flashes the mysterious error code 7830016 while attempting to download your favorite game, Arena Breakout Infinite? As per the user's complaints, they have got the key and downloaded the launcher, but when they try to download the game, it shows this error code. If you are also having this error, then please do not worry, as this error is not coming because of any issues on your side. Instead, this has something to do with the wait time for the code to activate your account. So this error should get resolved itself. Think of it as the game's way of getting to know you better before letting you in. The solution to this issue is as simple as it sounds. Patience, dear gamers. The game asks for nothing more than a day or two of your time. Once the code gets activated, the error will resolve itself like magic. To summarize, error code 7830016 is just a minor hiccup in your journey to the Arena Breakout Infinite. It's a temporary issue tied to the activation time of your access code, so hold your horses for a day or two, and then dive back into the download process. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, it will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.